Hello Tech Explorers, want to add subtitles to your video in Invideo AI? No worries, I'll show you how in just few quick steps. Let's go. First, open Invideo AI and log into your account. Now start a new project or continue working on an existing one. Once you are in, tap on Edit, then head over to Settings. Here you will find an option called Subtitle Preset. Tap on it and you'll see different subtitle styles. Simply select the one you prefer and boom, subtitles are now added to your video. Have you ever used subtitles before in your videos? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. Your video now has subtitles, making it even more engaging. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.